Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Holly, and today I just wanted to share with you a really quick and easy no-bake Easter treat. And these are called Easter egg bird nest. And all you need for this is any type of chocolate wafers, but you want the chocolate kind. And you want a 16-ounce bag of that. So it's just the melting candy chocolate. And a bag of the mini Cadbury eggs, and you can use jelly beans or anything you'd like for that. And a 1/4 cup of peanut butter, and you want creamy peanut butter. And you need 3 cups of chicken chow mein noodles. I know it sounds odd, but it works. And 3 cups, so you'll need 2 of those containers to get your 3 cups. Now add your chocolate wafers and the peanut butter to a microwave safe bowl, and you want to microwave that for about 1 minute or at 15-minute intervals, but 1 minute worked for me. And then just stir the peanut butter and the chocolate together so that way it gets incorporated. And as you're stirring it, you might notice there's just a few little lumps of chocolate left, but that will continue to melt as you stir it, so you should not have to put it back in the microwave. So try to melt it first just by stirring it before you do that. Now once your chocolate has a smooth consistency, then start adding your chow mein noodles to the chocolate. And I just add a little bit at a time because you don't want to break them up unless you have really long chow mein noodles, which sometimes you'll get a few. You can just break those in half, but continue to add it to the chocolate and continue to coat those completely. And if you need to, if you find it's too runny, you can add just a little bit more chow mein noodles, but you want to have enough to where it's going to thicken up and it's going to harden up when you put it on a covered cookie sheet. And that's the next step. Now cover a cookie sheet with either foil, or you can also use wax paper, and then you just want to take the mixture and drop by spoonfuls onto the cookie sheet to form a little bird's nest. And then you're going to let this set up for a little bit until it's completely dry. With this recipe, I was able to make 12 chocolate bird's nest, and I put the other 4 on a separate sheet of foil. And depending on how large you make the bird's nest or how small, that will determine how many it will make for you. And you will need to let this sit for maybe about an hour. That's about how long I let mine sit for, to let the chocolate dry completely. As you can see, it's still wet. So let that dry completely before you start adding the bird's eggs to it, or the Cadbury eggs, I should say. And that's what I used because I felt like these were more realistic. But you can also add, if you wanted to add jelly beans to it, you can. Or the Whoppers brand candy has the little robin's eggs also, so you can add that. And I just really think these turned out cute. All you would do is just continue to add the eggs to the little nest. And if you dye eggs for Easter, I think this would be a really nice treat for kids to have while you're doing that. And it's very simple, very easy to do, and it's a no-bake recipe, so that's why I really like this. And so, like I said, sometimes the simplest of ingredients just make something really good. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you did, I ask that you would please give it a thumbs up. And if you're interested in seeing more videos like it, please click that subscribe button and that notification bell. That will notify you when I post new videos. And I hope that everyone has a blessed day, and I thank y'all so much for watching and supporting my channel. Thanks again.